Welcome to ASCAR. We are excited to share videos about traffic and road safety. Each video we bring not only presents real traffic situations, but also serves as a reminder for us to drive carefully and responsibly. Don't forget to share this video if you find it useful and help raise awareness. The camera captured a terrifying moment when a blue four-seater car sped uncontrollably at high speed. The vehicle swerved on the road for a brief moment before crashing hard into the guardrail. The impact sent the car spinning multiple times before flipping over onto the roadside, creating a chaotic scene. Nearby vehicles immediately slowed down to avoid further danger. Bystanders rushed to assist, while emergency services were dispatched to the scene. The extent of injuries to the driver and passengers remains unclear. Initial assessments suggest that the driver may have lost control due to excessive speed. This serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of speed control while driving. The camera captured a dramatic moment when a container truck got stuck on the railway tracks. As the driver and some bystanders tried to free the vehicle, a speeding train approached rapidly. The inevitable collision occurred as the train crashed straight into the container, causing a massive explosion and scattering debris everywhere. The incident paralyzed traffic, and rescue teams had to rush to the scene. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the impact. This serves as a serious warning about obeying railway crossing signals. A small mistake can lead to devastating consequences. The camera captured a dramatic moment when a container truck got stuck on the railway tracks. As the driver and some bystanders tried to free the vehicle, a speeding train approached rapidly. The inevitable collision occurred as the train crashed straight into the container, causing a massive explosion and scattering debris everywhere. The incident paralyzed traffic, and rescue teams had to rush to the scene. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the impact. This serves as a serious warning about obeying railway crossing signals. A small mistake can lead to devastating consequences. A horrifying accident occurred on the highway when a Punto suddenly cut across lanes, blocking the path of another high-speed vehicle. The violent collision caused both cars to lose control, spinning multiple times on the road. Drivers behind them slammed on their brakes to avoid a pileup, creating a chaotic scene. After the impact, the Punto crashed into the median barrier with its front end severely damaged. Emergency responders and police quickly arrived to handle the situation. Fortunately, no casualties were reported, though both vehicles suffered extensive damage. Initial investigations revealed that the Punto driver failed to check properly before changing lanes. This serves as a harsh reminder of the importance of caution on the road. All drivers must follow safety regulations and avoid reckless actions while driving. Excessive speed caused the truck to lose control, cross the median, and crash head-on into another vehicle. The horrific accident occurred during rush hour, forcing other vehicles to stop abruptly. The violent collision resulted in severe damage to both vehicles. The truck driver and the driver of the other vehicle were injured and had to be rushed to the hospital. Police and emergency responders quickly arrived at the scene to handle the situation and investigate the cause. This accident serves as a lesson about following speed limits and staying alert on the road. At a busy intersection, a dump truck carrying gravel and stones was moving at high speed and failed to slow down as it approached the junction. The driver lost control, causing the dump truck to collide with several vehicles in front, resulting in a chain crash. The incident led to chaotic traffic and heavy damage to the vehicles involved. Drivers and passengers in the affected vehicles couldn't react in time, creating a dangerous situation. The police quickly arrived at the scene to handle the incident and investigate the cause of the crash. This serves as a reminder of the importance of controlling speed, especially when navigating busy intersections. The carelessness of the truck driver, misjudging and crossing the railway tracks, was an extremely dangerous situation. Fortunately, the train was approaching, and the truck was thrown off the tracks, avoiding a direct hit to the cabin. This proves that driving slowly is not always safe. Sometimes you need to be decisive and maintain an appropriate speed to ensure safety. The driver's lack of observation and judgment could have caused severe consequences. But in this case, the truck narrowly escaped. This serves as a cautionary lesson to always stay clear-headed and react swiftly in emergency situations. At an intersection without traffic lights, vehicles from multiple directions moved without proper caution. A car attempted to cross at high speed, while a truck from another direction failed to brake in time. A violent collision occurred instantly, causing both vehicles to spin sideways on the road. The following vehicles couldn't react in time, leading to a massive pileup. The scene became chaotic, with several damaged vehicles and minor injuries reported. Police and emergency responders quickly arrived to manage the situation and control traffic. The primary cause was identified as the lack of traffic signals and driver negligence. This serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of careful driving, especially at uncontrolled intersections. The camera captured a terrifying moment when a pickup truck suddenly lost control and veered into the opposite lane at high speed. A collision occurred immediately as the truck crashed into multiple moving vehicles. The impact was so powerful that some cars were pushed away, spinning multiple times on the road. The chaotic scene was filled with the deafening sound of crashing metal and screeching tires, leaving bystanders in shock. The damaged vehicles were scattered across the highway, with debris covering the ground. Onlookers stopped in horror, with some rushing to help those trapped inside their cars. Emergency responders quickly arrived, securing the scene and transporting the injured to the hospital. This serves as a harsh lesson for all drivers. Always control your speed, maintain a steady grip on the wheel, and stay focused on the road. Just one moment of distraction can lead to devastating consequences. The truck driver irresponsibly parked too close to the railway tracks, unaware of the danger. At that moment, a train approached at high speed and couldn't stop in time. The violent impact severely damaged the front of the container truck. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape without injury. Emergency responders quickly arrived at the scene to handle the situation and investigate the cause. This serves as a reminder of the importance of being cautious and never parking in hazardous areas, especially near railroad tracks. From above, a helicopter suddenly exploded and crashed onto the highway. The accident occurred just as many vehicles were traveling on the road, making the situation chaotic and dangerous. Drivers and passengers in the vehicles couldn't react in time as the helicopter fell, causing an unbelievable crash. Vehicles on the road had to brake abruptly to avoid collision, resulting in severe traffic congestion. Emergency responders and the police quickly arrived to assist and investigate the cause of the explosion. This rare incident serves as a reminder of the unexpected situations that can occur on roadways. The situation was recorded when a four-door car suddenly swerved and collided with a motorcycle traveling in the same direction. The impact caused the motorcycle to lose control and fall onto the road, with the rider injured and assisted by bystanders before being taken to the hospital. Both vehicles were damaged, causing traffic disruption. The cause of the accident could be due to the driver's lack of attention. This serves as a reminder to everyone about the importance of staying calm and alert when driving, especially when sharing the road with other vehicles. A large truck unexpectedly blew a tire while traveling on the road, creating a very dangerous situation. The loud explosion caused the driver to lose control, and the truck veered off the road. Fortunately, no other vehicles were affected, but the explosion caused significant traffic congestion. Authorities quickly arrived at the scene to handle the incident, investigate the cause, and ensure safety for other vehicles in the area. This serves as an important reminder to thoroughly check and maintain vehicles before hitting the road. Thank you for following ASCAR in today's video. We truly appreciate your support. Every like, subscription, and comment helps us improve. Your feedback is a great motivator for us to continue providing valuable information about cars and road safety.